Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the screen resolution issue on our Windows 11 operating systems. So first of all, we need to right click on the desktop and go to the settings, display settings, and we will tweak some changes from the display settings as well. So first of all, go to display resolutions and make sure you have selected the recommended one. Whatever recommendation you have, you need to select that, and if it is not working, you can select this 1366 into 768. This is the standard resolution on Windows operating system, so you can select that simply and check if it fixes the issue or not. If it does not fix the issue, scroll down and look for advanced display settings, and in the refresh area here you need to select here the lower one, and once you select the lower one, click on keep changes and it should fix your issue now. If it's still not fix your issue, you can change back to the default and click on keep changes. And this is the first step guide to fix the issue, display resolution issues. You can also select the another resolutions on your Windows operating systems and check which one is working and which one is not working on your Windows. So this is the first step to troubleshoot any kind of issues. So in the second method, we will check for driver updates, and if any pending drivers, simply open the device manager from the Windows search bar, and you need to look for here display adapters, expand the option and select your graphic cards. Just right click and update the driver. Make sure you have connected with the Wi-Fi before selecting this option. Search automatically, and this will automatically connect the correct driver on your Windows operating system. So this is the automatic way to install the driver. You can also update and browse, then this option, and choose this highly recommended option, next, and the driver will be reinstalled. So if you want to install the manufacturer driver, whichever manufacturer you are using, I mean the laptop brand or the system brand, just double click on the Google and you need to search here the Dell driver. I'm using here the Dell laptop. So if you are using another laptop like Lenovo drivers, you need to search the same words, HP drivers, select here the driver and softwares, and here you need to select here your serial number. So how to get the serial number? So this command, let me again, wmic BIOS get serial number together, and hit enter, and just select this from the mouse and then hit enter. It will copy and just paste it here and click on search. This has already detected the driver, but some cases it does not detect any kind of, and we need to look for this option, visit list, and you can see this device is already selected with the serial number here F2, you can see. So we need to look for here the Intel SD graphic driver. Just select this option from here and then click on download. You may have seen multiple graphic drivers here, but make sure choose the latest one and click on download. Similarly, you can go to the HP sites, click on detect, and if you are using the HP laptop or the system, you can select the same, select a laptop or the desktop and put here the serial number as you can see here, then click on next. Okay, now it has already downloaded by me, but there was video was stopped, so I have reinstalled it. Go to this section and double click on it to run. Click on yes. Click on install. You need to make sure that you have installed the correct driver as per the manufacturer or the motherboard number, and thereafter your all the issues will be fixed. You can also look for BIOS update if the driver is not working, the graphic driver install is not working. You can look for also BIOS update and any other updates related to the systems. Okay, you need to select here next, yes, next, and you can see it is going to install now. It will take some time, we need to wait here. You need to click on next. Now you can see, yes, I want to restart my system. Let it tick itself and then click on finish option. Once you click on finish option, your system will be restarted, and you must restart your system once installation is done, and thereafter you will see your issue will be fixed. So I'm selecting here the later, and also you need to make sure, guys, your Windows should be updated latest. Sometime older update can cause many issues related to the display as well as the other. So go to setting option, click on Windows update, and make sure you are tick this option, latest one, and click on check for update. Still any update is pending, just let it check, and after that restart your system once the installation is done, and it will automatically ask to restart your system once the update is done. So this is how, guys, you can fix the display resolution issues on your Windows 11 operating system. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.